Hi, this will be just a short video where I'm going to try to remove this sticker from this front panel. So we have a little bit older IBM Think Center, and we have this awful sticker that I want to remove here. Also, I will try to do this without removing this front panel, and I will try to keep these two stickers, which are original stickers for this PC, and I will have to protect a little bit these two USB ports and these headphone jacks here. So I will show you how will I try to do this. I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but it's definitely my way. So let's try. So this is what we are going to use to remove the sticker: WD-40, paper glue, and some protective tape. First I will remove all the cables from behind. So I don't know if you can see, but there are a couple of brackets and hinges, and it's not flat, okay? So I will need to do something to make it stand nicely. So this. Okay. As you can see, I turned this computer upside down, and if you can notice here, this front panel is not parallel with this back side, so I will need to just do something to stand something like this. Okay, that's the next thing that we're going to do. Remove this, and for that I'm going to use some towels. Yes. Here we go. That's more like it.
Just to be safe, protect everything.
Yes, a couple of layers of this protective tape from all sides. Just to be sure. Now I'm going to use this paper glue, and I will apply it all around just to create barrier, just enough barrier so the liquid will not go over it. Well, at least I hope it won't. Maybe we could use hot glue or something, but I'm just too lazy to start that heating gun. So a little bit this glue, just lots of glue. So this should protect WD-40 too, and maybe to create some additional barriers, something like this. Yes. Here we go. That should be just fine. Yes. Here we go. Now WD-40 and spray all over the sticker and let it soak. Yeah, that smells terrible. Okay, now we'll let it soak for a couple of minutes, and then we will try to peel it off. Okay, so WD-40 is not aggressive to the surface, so we can apply it a little bit more, no fear, and let it soak. Okay, a bit more WD-40, and here we go. Scrape, scrape away. Now what we need to do is use some wet wipes, just pick up all this residue off, and because I don't want the rest of the computer to soak in WD-40, I will remove this completely. Everything else becomes soaking. And we need a bit more. Here we go. It's nice and clean, and there is no trace of anything. It's really nice and shiny. So no sign of sticker anymore. That's it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.